Okay, quick video. I'm back on Flow, and I thought I'd do some messing around. So I'm in the tools. I'm in my tools, and I've just made myself a tool builder. So let's come out there so I'm not floating you all over the place. So we come here, and I basically put a prompt in that recreates a video. It analyzes it and tells you how to recreate it. I thought that's kind of a decent idea. I haven't tried it out yet, but let's see this prompt I've put in. It's massive. A shout out to Metrics Mill because it's one of his prompts. So I'm just playing about with that at the minute, and I'll probably adapt the prompt a little bit. But there we go. So now it's basically select a video. So I'd have to upload a video to select it, wouldn't I? Bear with me. Okay, so I made this video of a day. I think it was in, I'm not sure, Sea Dance or one of the others. We'll add the media and it should reconstruct it, and let's see what it does. I figured it might be a decent enough tool. I'm probably going to iterate on it a little bit more and think that this is just a 10-second video, which is ideal for Omni. But if I can put a longer video in, let's say 2-3 minutes, it might be able to do it in stages. So let's have a look what it said. Video type, let's zoom in so we can see it. So video type, high-ended cinematic portrait, commercial. Yeah, it was for an advert. Blonde woman with wavy hair. So it's got all the normal stuff in. Cinematic medium shot of a blonde woman. So what I'm going to do, I did want to copy it, but it won't. Hold on, come out there. Okay, I'll copy it this way. I'm just going to put done on there. Let's name it cinematic forensic engine. Oh, well, we'll have that. So now I'm just going to go here, paste that. I'm not going to give it any prompt, and I'm just going to see what it comes out with. If it's anywhere near this video. Oh, I've got it in 9 by 18. That's TikTok style. I didn't want that. So let's do another one just so we can actually compare. I just thought it'd be a good idea just to show you what you can do with these tools. So basically, I'm thinking about these tools the way I'd use it as a skill. You put a skill in Claude. I've got a feeling you can use all these tools here as a skill in itself, which saves a lot of time. I mean, while I'm there, I'm still adding to my little app folder here. UGC Builder, Social Engine. These are all just basic Electron apps, all in one place. So I can just click into them that I've created over the years. Omni Studio, Hyperframes, Video Repurpose, Prompt Vault. What's Prompt Vault do now? Prompt Generator. So like you just go into that. It's probably done work, this one. Oh, it does. All right, yeah, this is all my prompts that I've got from over the years. Yeah, select a collection, should load up. Come back to that. Failed. Do you know, it's been failing all day as this today. Delete, reuse, try and reuse it. It takes a couple of attempts sometimes. It's a bit odd. Still loaded. I might have to restart my computer shortly. It's getting a bit slow. Then you've got all these prompts in there. Just saves me going in and out of everything. These are loaded on a hard drive, external hard drive that I just use. Come out of that. Go back to here. 7%. Is it going to fail? Yeah, the guidelines. What guidelines is it, bro? There's no broken here. Let's get rid of photorealistic. We'll just wrote photorealistic and then generate it. Because I think it's gone back to TikTok. Photorealistic. Let's move that back. We won't have 4K. I've taken that out. Let's see what happens. It's been dodgy all day, is this? Tech is just glitchy. While we're waiting for them to load, you can just try it all over tools. Yeah, just be aware that you don't get this for free on the tools. You have to have a minimum of a £20 a month plan, the pro plan. But these are all what's been added to the communities. Some interesting ones in there. Let's go back. Yeah, they're all failing. Won't let me load that up, which is a bloody pain. Let's go back to my tool. Let's do it. Let's just see if it does it with the dog. Start reconstruction. What it's meant to do is that once it's done this first one, it's meant to give us a second version. I'm wondering if it's capable of doing that. No, it's just giving us one prompt. So if I do this now, don't know why it won't let me copy there. That's a bit weird, that. Could fix that in the... sorry. So we've got a version 2. So we can just click version 2 now, and it'll give us a second version of that prompt. Whoa, which is... So if we copy version 2, did that copy? I don't think it did. I think we just do this, the trusty highlight and copy. So it has done the prompt. So there you've got, you can put one of these prompts in from whatever you find online, and it'll do it for you inside Gemini, which I think's a good idea. Now we'll try to do another one. So we'll just go back here. Let's go back, start the day from new project. I mean, in theory, it shouldn't have any trouble with this. It was a TikTok video, this one, wasn't it? So I'll do it TikTok style. It should generate this, and I'm not sure if it'll get it right, but it should at least generate it. I mean, the prompt was Where did I get the prompt from? Yeah, it was on Metric Mules as one. So the prompt builder, it wasn't that one. Might be this one. It was this one. So go subscribe to his channel, get his newsletter, it's free or whatever. And then I just took this prompt and put it into Gemini and then see what it does. So where's Flow? We'll go back to Flow. Right, so it's created one. I don't know if it's going to be as good as the other video, but kind of funny. In fact, that's a bit better. So what it basically did, it took a viral video of a dog. It's actually a still photo. And then it puts a little chat GPT in, like it does there. Please fix my dog's teeth. And then it puts some human teeth in, which I think is quite funny. Might download that just for a giggle. And now you can edit it now. So you can do what you want with it, can't you? You can say turn it into a cat. In fact, I was doing this the other day and it just wasn't working. Turn the dog into golden lab. Let's see what it does there. It just goes to show you though that it's done that all right straight away, but it won't go near the woman. So it's very hit and miss when you're doing realistic content with Omni. I probably might have been better putting in VO actually. I might do a little VO, see what it does. Oh wait, I'll just put it on pause and wait for that to come back. Oh well, it's changed it. Let's have a look. Bit of background music on there, and that'll be fine. Right, so what I'm going to do is go back. I'm just going to go back out of here, change this into, how much is the light one? See what that does. So this is just in normal VO. VO 3.1. Should be a bit faster as well. I won't keep you hanging around. I'll just... Okay, let's have a look at 3.1 version. Yeah, it sort of misses the point of this, doesn't it? It does get the idea, but you wouldn't think they're a bit too hit and miss them. Whereas this one, it's just human, isn't it? Much better. So there you go. That was a quick video. Although, if we go back to tools and here, I think this is very much similar to gems. So you just create your own like gem like you used to in gems and then just put a prompt in. I might try one for sea dance. Hold on. Okay, we're going to have another text practice. We're just going to create one. Going to give you a prompt that generates, can't spell, gen. Let's see what it does. So we're in the tool builder now, and it's supposed to have a bit of understanding. So we'll see if it actually does have some understanding. Because basically we've put a prompt in here. Create the most cinematic AI video, especially using Dance 2. Not only cinematic realistic videos, but videos that consist of many different scenes, which many different cameras and shots. So it gives it the role, gives it the instructions. After the research, provide me with an absolute best prompt example for different stuff. Ooh, probably tell me off. To maximize the prompt of a higher like VO1 quality, which is integrated, has a right. So it's just basically giving cinematic drone sweeping across a mystic mountain range in the sunlight. All right, so I'll engineer the prompt. Right, so basically that's the rubbish prompt we've put in, and it's given us this back out, and it's generating from here, which is interesting. I didn't know do that. Copy the full sequence script. What's that mean? Get back to it when it's finished. Okay, it's created the video. Kind of really good. Let's just go have a look at it. So here's the video. I mean, it's a background image or a video. It's kind of detailed and good. Let's go back to the tool. So as you can see, I just put a skill in there, and that was this skill here. Again, Metrics Mule, thanks very much. Go check him out. I put that in there, and then we've got these for follow-ups. You'll want to use these for follow-ups to these prompts at the top. Right, so based on the info provided, if I go back here now, where are we? There. First prompt is made. We need to always follow up with this. Can that be included? So basically, I'm just asking the builder to do the prompt after it. So we'll see what that does. Okay, so I added the last bit of that prompt, which was this. Based on 10 video prompts, we've just provided me now with a system meta prompt generator, aka prompt generate prompts and all that good stuff. And we've now got this little system in play. So we've put the free prompts in. We can put a prompt here, the valley floor covered in glowing fungi, drone flies low. Says it's for sea dance here, which is correct. You've got these little menus here. Handheld, frozen. That's in place. Tracking, medium, handheld. High contrast, soft studio. Put your cameras in, digital or whatever. You can also add an image for the theme, the template style, and add an audio reference. I mean, these are sort of things that you would use for Seedance anyway. The reason I've put it in here is just to get the prompt. So we'll just do it again. And then it will generate this prompt here, which will then, so you can execute sequence rendering. So let's see what this does. Simulation physical. I mean, to be fair, that is a scene, one character, ghostly spirits are rendered as a semi-translucent infernal. We can see it generating. I'll just put you on pause and we'll come. Okay, so it just made this video. Bit weird, but you know, visually, quite a stunning video. So we'll go back to our cinema shot. So it's done that ready. But if we do it again, we've got the valley floor. Can we reset it? That's export script. We ain't got that. So it needs a few titivating things doing to it. But you can times 10 showcase. I did that earlier, but I don't think I showed you. Let's just update it. So I basically have times 10 it. So it should give us 10 scenes, I believe. Okay, so it's give us 10. A Seedance Masterclass showcase. So it's give us some scenes here we could use. High speed tracking, shot follow, translucent fluid. And you can copy these. But the copy button don't work, so I'll have to fix that. So it needs a few fixes, but our tool, we're going to edit, don't we? So if you want to edit it a bit more, just put here like now, the copy buttons don't do anything. I mean, to be fair, this is just like talking to Claude or any coding model, and it'll fix it. And then you've got yourself a little app within an app that you can just come here, use it, export them and use them in Higgsfield or whatever. So there you go. I just thought I'd show you that, what you can do. What I'm going to start doing now is trying to get some of my skills that are to do with video editing and prompting and see what else I can create in here. I think you should all give that a go yourselves. So thanks for watching. Get yourself into tools, see what you can make, and drop a comment below and let me know what you've made. I'll be interested to see. Cheers.